My name is Laura Sinai, and I have been a pediatrician for over 20 years. I originally hail from Philadelphia, and I moved to Charlotte in 2004. Signature Pediatrics is a concierge pediatric practice. A lot of people don't know what concierge medicine is. Our model of concierge care is a model where we offer a higher level of service and a higher level of accessibility. We really offer everything a pediatric practice offers, plus almost everything an urgent care offers. In our office, besides regular well care and regular sick care, we have x-ray, we have IV, we do suturing, I do circumcisions. There's a lot we do here that you can't get in a general pediatric practice. At Signature Pediatrics, you have 24/7 access to your doctor. When you call after hours, weekends, evenings, you don't get routed to a nurse in Milwaukee. Your phone call actually goes straight to the doctor on call. So you will speak with someone who knows your child well. So in addition to being able to reach us by phone and by email, during the business hours, after hours, weekends, we also do telemedicine. So sometimes parents want a question answered, but don't necessarily want to come in. It's pretty common that patients here will send us a simple picture that I can then base a treatment on, or an action. You know, I can look at a picture of a rash and say, oh my gosh, you better come in and we should really look at this closely. Or I can look at it and say, don't interrupt that ski vacation, don't go to urgent care while you're in Colorado, just keep skiing, we'll talk later. We want to work with you rather than just use the cookie cutter, easiest for us method of addressing any problem that you come in with. Concierge care also means coordination of care. We're going to speak with your specialists so that we know what's going on with your child. We'll also coordinate so that your specialists speak with one another so that their communication is clear. We are happy to adopt any element of the care that your specialist is willing to delegate to us. A lot of times, pediatric practices won't help out in a specialty area. We have the time and the ability to do that, so you don't find yourself running to a whole lot of different appointments at a lot of different places. We can't replace your specialist completely, but we want to help them and help you with full coordination of care. At Signature Pediatrics, we want you to know that you are heard. The child is not our only patient, the parent is. It's a family unit. Part of the purpose of the visit is to diagnose specifically what your child's problem is. But a big part, an important part of the visit, is to figure out where this is impacting your family. Are you worried about an upcoming trip? Are you worried about other family members? Are you worried about how this may affect schooling? So we have the time to let you ask those questions, really get deep into how this illness or change affects you and your family, and help you get through it and address those problems. We've really gotten rid of all the roadblocks to having good care for your child. When you call in, our receptionist's job is not to block you from getting your phone call through. Her job is to help you get straight to the nurse or the doctor's phone line. When you come in for an appointment, we have a beautiful waiting room, but our goal is that you spend 0 minutes there. We want you right back in with the doctor. Our appointment times are significantly longer, and you will have all the time you need to have your questions answered. Parents of my patients are so relieved that they're no longer part of a big system that sometimes feels like a rat race. They're pleased that they come in and they feel like they're part of a family. They know us and we know them. They know my nurse, they know my partner, and when they contact us daytime, nighttime, weekend, they reach someone who feels like they're part of their community. Healthcare at Signature Pediatrics is a really close-knit family.